How multinational corporations can tap into China's booming pharma market. Back in 2015, many people refer it as the year of innovation in Chinese pharmaceuticals. Fast forward to today, China's innovative drugs have come a long way from a small start to a major player with a market and innovation potential that's just waiting to explode. In 2023, China contributed 13% to AstraZeneca's global revenue. But it's not just AZ leading the charge. China's pharma innovation is like a goldmine that's just waiting to be tapped by more multinational corporations. Let's break it down further. First up, we start by looking at the capital market. Over the past decade, China's innovative drug sector has attracted more than 1 trillion renminbi in funding. For a strategic emerging industry like this, that kind of cash is like rocket fuel for innovation. And all that cash? It's paying off big time in clinical trial applications. Take a look at the IND submissions. Compare 2010 to 2023, there's been an astonishing 28-fold growth. This clinical boom has also propelled China to the number 2 spot globally for new drug approvals. Let's now look at the ongoing new drug pipelines, which show even more impressive numbers. China might be in second place, but it's nipping at the US's heels. China's contribution to the global total has reached 36%, leaving all other countries far behind. I know what you might be thinking. Some folks out there are skeptical about the quality of these pipelines, saying they could be just a bunch of copycat or fast followers. So we dug into the numbers for the most innovative first-in-class drugs. And guess what? China's FIC pipelines are no joke. They make up a solid 20% of the global share, slotting in right behind the US. In second place. This is more than just numbers, it's a testament to the caliber and innovation of China's pharmaceutical industry. The numbers don't lie. China's spot as the global number 2 in innovative pharmaceuticals is solid as a rock. Yet, this fact hasn't quite hit the mainstream on the world stage. One big reason is that the drug intelligences commonly used in the Western world are actually struggle to keep up with the lightning-fast pace of China's innovations. So, for those eyeing opportunities in this dynamic market, leveraging a local powerhouse like Next Biopharm for pipeline tracking is the safest bet. According to Next Biopharm's new feature, R&D ranking, this tool groups drugs by their target and mechanism of action, then ranks them based on the highest phase of development they've reached globally and the start time of that phase. So here's an interesting finding. Among China's new drug pipelines, a significant 25% are at the cutting edge globally within their specific target plus MOA categories. When we broaden the scope to the top 3, that figure leaps to 43%. This isn't about playing catch-up, it's about China's pharmaceutical innovations taking the lead in many therapeutic races on the global stage. To be more specific, take a look at the buzzworthy therapies of recent years, ADCs, cell therapies, and bispecific or multispecific antibodies. China's pipeline for these cutting-edge treatments has even outpaced the US, securing the top global position. The quality of Chinese innovative drugs is further underscored by global transaction trends. Since 2020, there has been a significant increase in the China out-licensing deal, coinciding with a decline in the number of project licensing from overseas. Multinational corporations are increasingly turning to China in search of top-tier innovative drug pipelines. The upfront payments for licensing these Chinese assets have exceeded the amounts raised in the private equity market by 35%. Over the past decade, China has become the world's second-largest player in both transferring and receiving drug rights, with its innovations gaining international recognition. Okay, lastly, I want to thank you for tuning in and sticking with us till the end. As we wrap up, let's look ahead with optimism. The Chinese market's potential is set to flourish, promising a wave of groundbreaking innovations in homegrown drugs. These advancements won't just change the game, they'll be a beacon of hope for patients worldwide.